It is 4 o'clock in the morning. And we got the Dodge out in the big trailer. About to go down. The green bean drag car that we're building, as well as some future updates. I might be getting a project car myself. Thank you.
Many months later.
It is 4 o'clock in the morning. And we got the Dodge out in the big trailer. About to go down. Alright, so guys, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. We got the car loaded up. Now we're gonna head back home. Alright guys, so here it is. So what do you think? So I do got to come clean about one thing. This isn't my actual project car. This is just a car that I'll be using for parts. I do want to build something a little unique, something that you don't see every day, which is why I didn't go with the Eclipse and I'm going with something different instead. Now when I first got it, this thing was filthy, so I already gave it a bath, so it's a little more camera ready. And like I said, this isn't my project car. This is a car that I'll be using some parts off of, and I'll be stripping it down and selling it. Like now, I spent $600 on this car. My goal is to recoup as much of that as possible. Now it's almost a shame that I'm stripping this car because it is running and driving. And the body's actually in really good shape. So let me show you guys what I'm working with here. The only real damage on the car is right there. Major damage. Of course, engine bay, this is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. It's the 4G64. Now, of course, this engine is extremely similar to the one that's in the Evo, which is the 4G63T. Of course, this is a naturally aspirated 2.4 liter, whereas the Evo has that turbocharged 2 liter. Now, of course, you see here, you got this makeshift cold air intake. And it starts off pretty good. I'm not sure what kind of filter this is. Probably just an AutoZone unit or something. But then here you go up. You got like this double Home Depot type coupler. Well, there's a coupler here. And there's another one right underneath it. And then this little tube, which is like 2.5 inches. Now there is a check engine light on. I'm assuming it's because of this. Because the car runs fine. As far as I can tell. And I haven't gotten up to any real speeds. But 20, 30 miles an hour. Car seems to run fine. The headlights are in good shape. There's a little oxidation, again, as to be expected. There is some more damage down here, but again, that's not a huge deal. Like you put a rivet or something in here to hold it. It's got some wheels on it. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think these wheels are ugly as sin. But never mind that. Now, the interior is not bad. It looks like they left it outside with the windows open and it got rained on. And there's a bit of an odor to it, but overall, the condition is pretty good. You see the seats in pretty good condition. Even the driver's seat. This car has 230,000 miles on it, so it is a 5-speed car. Of course, the dash is cracked a little bit up there, but overall, the car is in pretty good shape. It also it's got a little exhaust on it. It's probably just the eBay exhaust. It's actually not real loud, which I like. So like I said, the car is actually in really good shape. Hopefully I can sell this thing as a shell so I don't have to scrap it. But either way, it's going to be out of here in about a month. So one thing I wanted to update you guys on is I told you in my last video that one of my Marina lights didn't work. And the company, and once I contacted the company, they said they were going to send me another set. So I did get those in. They sent me another 8-pack and every light in there worked. Apparently they were unsellable. I'm guessing they're customer returns. But every light in that pack worked. So now I've got 15 lights in my garage. And again, this thing looks amazing. And now when you're in here, you can't tell whether it's day or night. And I love that. So you can see I did move them up a little bit. I put them on the headers because I noticed they were a little too low for my liking. And I got all of them installed now. There's a couple on the beams that are running the horizontal beams. So I got them all installed now. You can kind of see. So again, I'll continue to update you guys on how those end up holding up in the future. So now if you guys just hang around, I'm going to document the strip down of the Eclipse and kind of see how close to my goal of $600 I can make back off of this car. All right, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. The channel is growing, so thank you guys for your support so far. Leave a comment down below to let me know what you think my project car is going to be. And you have a great day.